house was able to find. Looks like they started the brick on it. I'm guessing where the green is going to be, it's going to be those stone blocks right over there. It's going to look nice. They have the front door in and it's all locked, so we'll go in through the garage. Of course, if this house weren't open in any way, I wouldn't ever try to get in, but you know, the garage. As you can see, there's a bit taller of a garage, and then there's a smaller garage. They're connecting. Drywall's in place. Water heater. Ah, nice long hallway. I'm guessing in here is going to be the laundry. Yeah, it's going to be the laundry room, and that's the master closet. They do that now. There's a bedroom in here. It's bathroom. Some of these shots will be kind of dark because the house is all closed up. Here's the kitchen, and there's dining. Oh, look at that living room. Sorry about that. I think this will look real nice. This door, I think, is temporary. It's going to be a glass door. Big patio outside. Let's go in here. Let's see what's in here. Well, that's interesting. It's just a space. Could it be like some kind of closet of some kind? Oh. And there's the master bedroom. Off the kitchen. I'm guessing this is going to be a pantry. This here will be a powder room. I think that that's going to be a glass door also. Because I will go out back, I think, to where the pool, it could be a pool bathroom. Nice big room in here. Gotta watch my time. Tall ceilings, 8-foot doors. So, a dark bathroom, very dark bathroom. Can't even see anything in here really. And you got the shower. Oh no, you can't see. There's the toilet. Sink. I'm thinking bathtub. Man, they should have a window in here. Big closet. And this has a tornado shelter in it also. There are tornadoes around here. And then we're back in the laundry room, because out there is the garage. Alright, let's go in through to the other bedrooms. Actually, hold on a second. That's a nice front door. I'm thinking here will be the office. It's a big trend around here where the office is right off the front door. Nice big window. Niche. Bedroom. Nice window up there. And this looks like it'll be a Jack and Jill. So in here it's probably the closet, the window, sink, and the door to go into where the tub, stool, then a new sink, then another bedroom. Nice tray ceiling. With this closet, walk-in closet, nice closet. And I guess that's about it. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, there should be more sometime in the future. Don't know when, but... Oh, actually, hold on a second. I forgot. There are stairs up into the attic from the garage. This is not living space. This is just attic. Storage and attic. I would have shown you out back, but it's all locked up. So I figured I'd just show you this. You notice that it got a lot quieter up here because I guess the insulation all blown in here. As I look out onto the house across the street. Like my eyes, these lenses like to adjust. And then as you can see, just the varying heights of the ceilings. It's all very complex up here. And there's like the master closet and stuff. Master bedrooms back there. Kitchen areas down in here. Living room. Now we're done with the tour. Oh wait, I do have some time left on this camera. I think I could show you out back. I have to crouch down so you can see what it looks like out here. The outdoor chimney. No, I'm just kidding.